Hi guys, welcome to SV Electronics. Today in this video I have a 55-inch TV where there is a black or dullness issue in the corners. Display test pattern. As you guys can see, testing picture of display, this TV has black or darkness issue in the corner of left side. Except that everything seems okay. So to study about the issue, I am opening it up. Before that, I am opening the screw caps in the TV. Here what I found, there is a screw missing in this place. I thought may someone already opened this before. It can't be possible because these screw caps and warranty seal is opened by me now only. As you guys can see, this sticker is a warranty sticker and it contains screw inside, where now only I am opening it. Inside of it contains only a small motherboard, T-con and power supply. That's what it have. And this is how the backlight looks like. Light turned on the backlight now, and backlight LED is off where there is a white mark. Well, it have 4 portion in the total and 1 portion LED is not working. I am making a cross mark on every strips because I won't reuse these strips again. I will tell the reason behind it, that why I won't reuse these strips again. When I check each single LED in each strips, some LED are not working. I mean not good or bright. There will be 3 strips in each portion. 2 strips are fine in this and only 1 strip have a issue. In this, first LED is not turning on, second LED is dull, third one is also low, and fourth and fifth, sixth also low. Seventh and eighth are not turning on only. So let's check what's the issue in this. Now I'm removing the reflector lens. Just notice those black lines on the LED. We will get back to it later. This LED is blinking, and this one is completely gone. First one is blinking, as you guys can see. I tried a lot to fix these LEDs, but these are not turning on because these are really weak. It can be identified by those black lines, which means those black lines indicates that those LEDs are fine or not. Well, let me show you guys in microscope where those black lines are clearly visible. Those are called as tracks, and it will be in a gold color and it made of copper, and those tracks will get burned based on the usage. After it get burned, it will turn to black. As you guys can see, this also got black, which means burnt. To know about it, we need to see deeply, as it is micro component. So let's check another one. So as you guys can see, it's also have the black lines. But it seems it's okay, I mean turning on, but those black lines indicates the burn of LED. Here I have new or gold LED, where we can see difference between the new and used one. We should not reuse these LEDs at any cost, even it's turning on, as we can't trust on used LEDs. The new LED is in the proper gold color, and old used one are got burned, which are in black. So few customers asked me stating, if any one strip LED got burned, will it happen with the other strip also? Have a look, I kept old and new strip together to see the difference. I changed all 14 strips LEDs, and only fixing LEDs in the strips is not enough. It should have a long life, which means the work should be perfect, and I believe in a quality of work rather than just finishing the work. Just have a look guys, I changed or replaced all these 14 strips, and all 14 old strips are got burned, I mean turned black. As you guys can see, I am showing burned or black LED. If you guys found any good LEDs, I mean the LEDs in the gold color, please comment below. Sorry guys, I'm doing fast forward for few seconds to check the strips deeply. Here we go guys, please have a look of each strips as I'm showing. In every strips, every LED got burnt. It might be reusable up to 1 or 2 months, but not sure. Here we have all strips and I marked with the numbers and cross marks to make sure that it can't be reusable with any branded TV. If we are changing the LED, we need to change the whole set. But some other technicians will change only the particular few LED and might do it in a half price, but it is not a good thing to do. Well, now I'm connecting to Apple TV for testing purpose. Here we got home screen and everything looks good. Let's play a video in YouTube and check. Please observe in the left side of TV, the darkness issue, the dullness has gone. SV Electronics. This is my YouTube channel. I will be keep on uploading the videos on TV repairs and some techniques. If you guys want to see more videos, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. Thank you once again. Bye bye.